Alright everybody, welcome back to Barbells and Burnouts, alright? So, I'm here with Calin in the background over there. We're taking the top down. So, we are getting started again on the S2K finishing up. So, I wasn't here last time because I had, take care of some stuff. Calin will laugh at me. I kind of flaked out on him. But Calin got you said the fuel pump done and wiring for so many other things completed, right?
Yes, sir.
What else did you do on that?
So I got the wiring for the fuel pump done. We got the wiring for the transmission done. Mm-hmm. All of this has to plug into, I'm running a rye wire conversion harness for my AM Infinity.
Okay, cool. So then, what are we doing today? I know you told me, but say it again for the camera.
I don't even know if I want to do what I told you. But no, we're going to actually finish hooking up the transmission mounts. So bolt the transmission back into the drive shaft, mm-hmm. So that everything is in line. And then I got to re-grease. I'm going to redo the shifter, put a new spring on it, put a new ball capsule, mm-hmm. And get that installed. That's going to be the main thing. And finishing up the fuel pump.
Okay, so basically fuel pump and trans stuff today.
Basically.
Okay, cool. Sounds good. All right. So stay tuned, guys. All right, guys. So Calin lied to us all today.
You are lying through your teeth, you little demon.
He can't find one of the plates for the transmission. So we gonna do this, Kendrick? Kendrick bumping, but we about to go do this fuel system stuff, all right? So yeah. All right, guys. So the fuel system is hooked up. Calin, did we ever tell them what fuel you were running on this?
I'm running E85 Flex.
Okay, so Flex E85 we're gonna be running. So we had to go steel braided lines for that, just so it doesn't eat through the lines and everything. But it is set up with the nice injectors, beautiful intake. It's gonna be something serious, but he's still gonna get gapped in the mountain and in the corners. It's okay. Alright, so what we're about to do, we're about to put the exhaust onto the motor. We're looking at the block though, just making sure everything's okay. Everything looks good for the most part. There's some things we're just looking, but like Calin said, it's $800 motor. So if something goes wrong, we just go get another one, alright? So yeah, check it out. Alright everybody, welcome back to Barbells and Burnouts. Alright, so we are continuing the build series with Calin, and we are building the K-Series S2K, alright? So today we are putting the transmission in, we're bolting this mug in, alright? So we might have said we were doing it last time, but we're finishing it this time, okay? So we already have, as you can see, the jack is under the transmission right now. If you guys can see it under there. Yeah, the jack is under there, holding up the transmission. Calin's sliding under to just jack it up. And I'm gonna be, helping with the jack thing. You know what I'm saying? All right, cool. All right, y'all, so we got that transmission brace bolted in. Now what Calin is doing is he is jacking up, so you guys can see it, jacking up the motor, so we're gonna actually bolt in the engine brace, or engine brakes, the engine mounts. All right, so I'm over here making things. Oh yeah, that engine brace, you know, you make sure the engine brace is working right, dog. Alright guys, so as always, I forgot to film the ending of the video, alright? So basically we got the exhaust on and we finished everything up for that day, alright? So thank you guys for watching the video. Be sure to watch out for the next few videos that I have coming out. I have a few, I'm a little backed up, but I have a few videos coming out about very important things for finishing up this build, doing a little bit of maintenance on the S2K, and I have some more fun surprises coming out, also some show coverage for you guys, all right? In one of those videos coming out, there will be some new big announcements, okay? So if you wanna see those announcements and kind of wanna share and support, all right? Remember to like, subscribe, guys, and I'll catch you later, okay? Peace.